Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on what fits in my YSL bell pouch. I did a review on this, so I'll link the link down below in the description box. After posting that video, I got a lot of questions on what fits inside, what can fit inside this pouch. So this is strictly just what fits in here. One of the questions was, can an iPhone fit in here? Yes, an iPhone can fit in here. I have the iPhone 8 and I have a case on it as well, and I'm just going to show you guys quickly that it does fit perfectly. It could also fit into the front pocket. I personally would not put it here, but you can if you want to. And still, there is no bulges, even with it being in the front pocket. And I could zip this up. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys what I would put in here or what can fit. Now, the first thing I would carry, let's say on a night out, okay? I'd carry my phone, that's for sure. So I have an iPhone 8, not a Plus, just an iPhone 8. So an 8 and under will definitely fit. Anything above that, I don't know. I don't have one to show you guys. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly. Fits perfectly. And I would just shift it to one side. And then I'd carry a lipstick. So I have just a standard MAC lipstick. And I would put that in that corner right there. I'm currently using my Kate Spade wallet, so I'm just gonna grab a couple cards here. There's a pocket on the back side, and I'm just gonna slip it in here. Also, I would carry a mirror, and I have this like Sephora mirror that you guys seen how many times. This Sephora mirror, I would put it behind my phone or in this pocket here, or you can even put it in this front pocket. And that's pretty much all that I would carry in here. And just to show you guys, it looks like I don't even have anything in here. There's no bulges, and it looks really cute. That's what I would personally put in here, and I feel like that holds a lot. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this was helpful. If you guys have any more questions on this, comment down below if I've missed anything. And if you haven't watched my unboxing, go ahead. The link will be down below. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.